today we are AWS Summit in BKC, and I'm really excited because it's my first ever AWS Summit and as well as a tech event where, and also I work as a software engineer in Capgemini. So I have a good interest in AI, learning about AI and know how things work in AI. So let's go and explore. After entering the venue, the first thing we did was stand in line to collect our iCards. Going to collect our iCards now. So we just received our iCards. Here it is. Let's go there. Guys, we are in the
This is the
elevator.
largest elevator in the world. And spaces where you have couch to sit.
So we came out of the elevator and this is what we first saw. And also the elevator was so huge. It felt like a room, then an elevator. So we didn't got the breakfast, but we are here for the tea and the cookies. We have tea over here. We are having our tea and cookies as well. Guys, let me show you something. It's just so beautiful. Here it is. I don't know what this is, but it looks so good. We started the day with the keynote session and got to hear some about the latest development in cloud and AI. After walking around the booths, one thing was really clear: AI was everywhere. Every startup, every company, every conversation seemed to involve AI. Now we came to the startup zone where all the startup founders are demonstrating their business ideas and letting everyone know what they actually do.
5 years, we're going to put
We are
additional
standing in
35.
the queue to
A
play
lot of
some
it is going to go into
game, are we?
our Amazon
It's
Web
not
Services
game,
of
right?
AWS.
To just have a
Along with
demonstration
that, we
of
have
this
enabled $20
data
billion
dog.
of exports,
So yeah,
which is
we
going to go to 80 billion in the coming years.
wait, I'll show you
We
something.
have enabled
We got the cards
12
and
million
even
of
we
our
have played
sellers
some
and small
games.
medium businesses in the country. It's going to get
But
to 15
okay,
million
you
in the
have to
next
play this game, and if
5
you get
years.
the high
All
score,
of
you
this,
will get some
Amazon and
goodies. Okay.
AWS together have
So for this,
AWS
all you have to do is
foundational
start this
product.
game,
And
and
how
there is
do I
one
use
scenario. So it will ask you like,
AWS
tell
and some of AI. I'm going to
मतलब
give
if
you
you
a
have
brief glimpse
overslept and you missed your
of what
flight,
Amazon as a
ऐसे कुछ
customer of
questions हो गए, and you
AWS
just have to
does.
write a message to that AI. And there are 3 questions, and you
Let's
have 3
talk
minutes
about
of time.
first
And if you
story.
complete it and you
It's
get the
about
high
our
score,
small medium
then you will get
business,
some goodies.
our seller community.
And let's see what we are going to
We have a marketplace
do
of
with this data dog
1.7
and
million
what we'll get
sellers.
in return.
And it's
So yeah,
not about
we got these goodies from data dog. Lunch was definitely one of the highlights. There were plenty of items on the menu, so everyone could find something they liked. A much needed recharge for the rest of the day. We are having our desserts now. We are done with our lunch and desserts, and now we are back.
अपने आगे क्या है वो देख सिस्को.
This is Cisco booth over there. We'll just go and explore more. Yeah. See you. Being here made me realize how much I still want to learn. Every conversation led to a new idea, a new perspective, or something I hadn't thought about before. That's what I love about places like this. You don't just leave with information, you leave with curiosity to keep learning and keep exploring more. In the summit and see हमको कौन मिल गया है
ब्लॉग डालती है अभी भी
हाँ.
मतलब बंद कर दी.
It's almost 4:30 now, and the event is going to end within an half an hour, I think. So yeah, and also we met our college friends here.
wait, we'll introduce you.
Guys, हम देखो किसको मिले.
किसको मिले? सेलिब्रिटी मिल गए हम.
सेलिब्रिटी.
सेलिब्रिटी
यादव. और दर्शन.
दर्शन.
भाव भी नहीं मिले.
क्या हुआ भाई? Vlogging कर रहे थे यार, भूल गया यार.
YouTube में देखना कमेंट करें.
So we found them after a long time. We just got few goodies since there was a huge crowd at most of the booths.
We are done with the summit today, so yeah.
Bye, bye.
For AWS Summit 2026 Mumbai, it was really good. It was my first time experience, but I got to learn many things over here about AI, about the AWS, new technologies that are there in the IT industry and in AI, and also how companies are using all these things. I think everyone should visit such kind of events to know more about new technologies. Yeah, that's all I want to say. Yeah, here we are in the vlog. Thank you.